Two numbers are selected from the first 6 natural numbers without replacements. So we write the sample space S equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. We do not write 1, 1. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. We do not write 2, 2 and so on. So n of s equal to 30. We look at the pair 1, 2, the smaller integer is 1, so x can take the value 1. Similarly, if you look at 2, 3, the smaller is 2, so x can take the value 2. Similarly, we can see that x can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we try to list the pair where x equal to 1, that's the minimum of the two integers is 1. They are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 and 6, 1, namely 10 pairs. So P of x equal to 1 equal to 10 by 30. Now look at the sample space and try to find the pairs where the minimum of the integers is 2. They will be 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2 and 6, 2. So there are 8 pairs. So P of x equal to 2 equal to 8 by 30. Similarly, we can find P of x equal to 3, P of x equal to 4 and P of x equal to 5. Now we tabulate everything in the form of a PDF. Since x is a discrete random variable, we use the formula expected value of x, E of x equal to summation x into P of x. Using the table, expected value of x will be 1 times 10 by 30 plus 2 times 8 by 30 plus 3 times 6 by 30 plus 4 times 4 by 30 plus 5 times 2 by 30. So we get E of x equal to 7 by 3.